are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start our second chapter. The name of the chapter is The Sound of Music, which is written by Jebory Cowley. The Sound of Music. From the chapter itself we come to know that this chapter is maybe about the sound and about the music. Yes, this is about a girl. You know students, when God takes something from us, He is giving more better than to us and giving us something extraordinary. Fine. This chapter is about a girl, Evelyn Glennie. She has lost her ear. She become deaf, and after that, what happened? The God has given him something, something which she can feel. She can hear the music by the feeling. She can hear the voice by her feeling. So this chapter is about that. So here, underground railway station. Yes, the chapter starts from the girl is waiting in the girl is having a joint. There's a dhakka jaisa lagta hai na? Yes, the train stopped in the underground railway station and she has come for the Royal Academy of Music in London. She was not looking more than she was looking less than 17 years old. Yes students, she was very nervous and she wanted to go for the Royal Academy of Music, and her name is Evelyn Glennie. Yes, the chapter starts like that. The chapter begins with the railway station and there was a girl who was waiting over there. Their name is Evelyn Glennie. She can feel the music. She can't hear. How is deafness is recognized? Notice of her deafness. Her mother called her once but she has not replied to her. ठीक है, she has called her but she has not replied to her just because her mother thought that something is wrong with that girl. The name of her mother is Mother Isabel. Fine, Isabel Glennie. She thought that something is wrong to that girl. She had going through with it, but she has not informed to anyone. But her marks were getting low day by day. So the teacher called to the mother and she instructed her to take her to the specialist. She went over there and she found that because of the nerve breakage, she has lost her ears. It means she can't hear. ठीक है? She has a fully deaf. There was a blank in the eyes, in front of the eyes of Evelyn Glennie. You can think when we heard about this thing that we can't hear, we are not able to hear anything now after this, then what will happen? When she was 8 years old, at that time her mother noticed her deafness, but when she became 11, it was finalized that she can't hear. She is deaf. Fine. After that, she has sent to the special school of deaf. There she decided that she wants to live a normal life. Once she saw a girl was playing a xylophone. Then she got that and she take all this thing in her mind and she decided that she also wants to be in a music. Yes. She also wants to be in a music. She decided that and she had taken some of the steps afterwards for that also. But many of the people has criticized her work. Many of the people has criticized her work. They said she can't do anything. She's deaf. She can't do the music and all. But you know students, I forgot to tell you that she can play more than 1,000 instruments. Yes. She was playing more than 1,000 instruments. She was the first girl who has discovered the music with the 1,000 instruments. Even she was a deaf. Yes, that's why her name comes in the book. After that, her sir, as we can say, teacher, the name is Rand Forbes. He started to give her a training. Yes, she had a hand on xylophone, he said to him that she has to feel the music by the sound from the body parts. When there is a high drum, the two drums are there, senses music. Like when there is a high drum, she can she from the high waist, and the low drum from the high waist. Yes, like this she can feel the music from her body parts. After that, she had lots of music awards. She started to be played in an orchestra. She had done a tour of whole United Kingdom, UK. She has done lots of programs, and she was first in an orchestra. Then she separated and then she moved into the solo performance. Right? Yes, she moved into the solo performance. After that, she has done lots of music, lots of music concerts and programs. What she does, students, she removed the sandals or shoes while she was going into the stage, because she feels the music from his feet. Yes, from his feet she can feel the music. She can keep that sound in her body, and she started doing work of it. Then yes, she has, as I told you, she has done many concerts, and she used to do the things like that only, removing her shoes and went for playing the xylophone and all. After that, she got an award, Soloist Award of the Year. She got the Soloist Award of the Year in 1991. It is a prestigious award she has received. And then after, yes, she is invited for the Royal Academy of Music, which is in London. And after that, she becomes so a famous personality. She become, and the life which she wants to lead, she has proved that yes, she can lead this type of life, a normal life, a prestigious life, and inspiration for others. Student, yes, she becomes the inspirations for other as well. How? Whenever the person looks at her, ठीक है, कोई भी बंदा उनकी तरफ देखता था, they can say if she can do it, we can also do the same thing. She inspired others. She teaches to the other students as well. Instead of concert, she giving this instruments training to the poor children. And then after, she organized camps for them, and she went to the deep school to teach the many other students, right? So in this way she does all these good works, and she has proved that anybody can do anything with any physical disability, right? But she has proved that thing because she was disabled. She can't even listen the music, but she has played it. She has made it for herself. Her speech was clear. Why? Because till the age of 8 she can hear. So her music, her speech is clear. She can speak properly, but she has not even know how she has learned the French. How she has learned the French properly, because she can't even hear the voice of anybody. Students, what the specialty of her, we can speak for, if we can speak for 2 or 3 hours, she does not even miss the single word what we have spoken. She said she does not know why this has happened to her, but only the problem arises when the mustache guy, when a beard boy is speaking. She laughed and she instructed this thing in the chapter. As I told you, she become inspiration for the others. If everyone can do, she can also. If she can do, then everybody else can also do. By taking all these graphs into the life, we can say that yes, she has lived a normal life, a beautiful and a prestigious and the glamorous life she has lived. So this is chapter about, because just because of disability we can't say that we can't do this. if we will try, definitely we can try our level best and we can come up to the point which we want to make, right? So this chapter is about that. I hope you all have understood this chapter very carefully. This is the first part of the Sound of Music. In our next video, I will bring you the second part, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. ठीक है? Till that, see this video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.